Hutia tērito o te harakeke kei hea te komako e ko. If the heart of the flax was removed, where would the bellbird sing? This mural is a part of the He Toki Biodiversity project. It is designed to teach Polytech students and the public about what this land used to be like. The whole of Logan Park used to be wetland with native plants and wildlife. He Toki Kaitarike Trades Training Centre at Otago Polytechnic is named after the 4 toki, or tools, that were found on site while building the Polytech. These tools could have been used by Māori for hunting moa, fishing or wood carving. Tauraka Pipipi and Te Tutai or Te Matauira are original place names associated with this area. It has been said that the birdsong here was deafening. The sustainability rōpū and horticulture students have restored some of the native plant life that would have been here. The goal is to increase the natural biodiversity and attract native insects and birds. This project is honouring the legacy of the land that used to be here.